Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to this class. Yes, dear students, in the last we have discussed about what that is a Ohm's law part. Okay, the experimental setup of Ohm's law and electrical resistance. Do you know already what is the meaning about the statement of Ohm's law and the meaning of resistance and some assignments of the resistance? Okay. So the continue part of this Ohm's law means your main thing is once Ohm's law is came and further that is a resistance will came. Ohm's law ಅಂತ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ resistance ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. The next resistivity. The continue part of this Ohm's law and resistance, that is electrical resistance. Sorry, electrical resistivity. What? Electrical resistivity. Before I am going to tell the resistivity meaning, we have to know about the resistance of a conductor. Resistance of a conductor depends on some factors. Means some factors are depends about the resistance of a conductors. Now in this class first we have to discuss about some factors depends on resistance of a conductors. What are those? The first is means this is a conductor. This conductor has a resistance, but this has a resistance, but it is depends on some factors. So ಈ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅದು ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So on which factors depends on a resistance of this conductor. So now the first is the resistance of a conductor depends on two main factors. The first is nature of a material. What? Nature of a material. These are the factors depends on resistance of a conductor. I will write here factors. Factors depends on resistance of a conductor. Resistance of conductor. Okay. Yes, dear students. The first one is factors depends on resistance of a conductor. The first one is the nature of the material. What type of nature of the material? It is iron, for example, that is iron, and that is metal. What type of metals? This like. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. It is factors. First factor of a resistance depends on resistance of a conductor. That is the nature of a material. And the second one is dimensions. What? Dimensions. This is first and second one is dimensions. Dimensions means what? You already know about the dimensions. Means ಅದು ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್, what that is a rectangle, that is a triangle shape, that type. There is a dimension, the direction ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so in this dimension we have to check it for that is a length. Means the resistance of a conductor depends on two factors. The first is nature of a material and the dimensions. In the dimension, there is main factor that is depends on the length of a material. Just we take this is on the conductor. This is a conductor of a resistance. This resistance of a conductor is depends on main factor that is a length. Which type length? Sorry, what type length of this conductor is there? ಎಷ್ಟು length ಇದೆ? So length of a conductor means length of a conductor is increases, resistance of a conductor is also increases. Where L is increases, then resistance R is also increases, means the resistance R is directly proportional to, means sorry, the length of L of the conductor is directly proportional to the resistance R of a conductor is directly proportional to the length of a material. Then we write it as the resistance R of a material is directly proportional to, we have to write here directly proportional like this symbol. The resistance of R is directly proportional to the length of a conductor. This is small equation. Means the factor depends on resistance of a conductor is main thing. This is first is nature of material. The second one dimension, that is length. Resistance of R is directly proportional to the length of a conductor. Means when the length is increases, the resistance of a conductor is also increases. Length na ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So now this is the equation number 1. Okay. So now second one is B. Area of cross section. Area of cross section means the resistance of a conductor. Resistance of a conductor is also depends on an area. This is one conductor. This conductor is depends. This resistance of conductor is depends on a length. Means directly proportional irutte. Length ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅದರದ್ದು resistance increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, that is directly proportional to the length. So now second is area of cross section. Area means what? ನಾವು ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಲೆಂತ್ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ತ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣ ಇದೆ? This is total area. But this area, the resistance of area of cross section is not directly proportional, that is inversely proportional to the area. Means the resistance of R of the conductor is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. Then we will write it as the resistance of R is inversely proportional to 1 by A. Inversely proportional to the area of cross section. This is equation number 2. Clear? Understood? Okay, first is the directly proportional to length L and inversely proportional to the area of cross section. So now combining equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. What will happen? Combining equation 1 and 2. In the left side of these two equations, resistance R equal to, proportional to L divided by 1 by A. What it is? L into 1, that is a L divided by A. Here, combining equation 1 and 2, what you will get? That is R proportional to L by A. L into 1, L, and divided by A is L. This is proportional. And we also write it as R equal to L by A. L by A means the resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to length of a conductor and inversely proportional to the area of cross section. So now, and we have to modify this equation. We will write it as, that is R equal to resistivity rho into L by A. Here, the constant resistivity means the proportionality constant, that is a resistivity of a conductor, means specific resistance. Here, rho is the what? This is the resistivity. Resistivity of a conductor or specific resistance of a conductor. What it indicates? Here, just one thing is connected. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು extra ಒಂದು word ಬಂದಿದೆ, that is rho. RH rho means resistivity of a conductor. So what it indicates here, if length of a conductor is 1 and area of cross section equal to 1, that resistance of a conductor is equal to, that R equal to what? This value will be 1 and area value will be 1. 1 by 1 is a 1. 1 into rho, and R equal to rho. Means resistance, sorry, means resistivity is equal to what? Here comes to the definition of resistivity. What? Resistivity. Here we come electrical resistivity meaning. Up to this we discuss about some factors depends on electrical resistance. Okay. Let us we derive a small equation R equal to rho into L by A. So now this is a resistivity equal to rho, means resistivity is nothing but what? Resistivity of a material is equal to the rho is equal to the resistance of an object. Resistance of an object in the form of unit cube and the made of that material. Means the resistivity rho equal to what? R A by L. This is the resistivity meaning. The resistivity of the material is equal to resistance of an object in the form of unit cube. This A by L is a unit cube. Unit cube is nothing but what? One shape. Means cubic. Okay. That is, we all accept that area by length. This is meaning of a resistivity. Resistivity of a material is equal to the resistance of an object in the form of unit cube and made of that material. Clear? So now this is how about the resistivity, electrical resistivity. So when you in the problem section they will ask find the resistance of the material, that equation. Okay, but resistivity of the material, this equation R A by L. So now you already know about the SI unit of a resistance, that is ohm. But now the dimensional formula. What? The dimensional formula of a resistivity is so dimensional formula is also important. Dimensional formula of a resistivity. How can we write? Hey, very good. So dimensional formula is so simple. So that is, we take a formula, means dimensional formula of a resistivity. Dimensional formula of a resistivity. Rho. We have to write a dimensional equation. Rho means square bracket. Here R means we take a formula R into A by L. Okay. So simple. So R is nothing but what? Resistance. The dimension formula for resistance is 1 M L square A to the power minus 3 A to the power minus 2. This is you already know. I will write directly. This is the dimensional formula of R, resistance, and area L square. Length is the breadth L square. So now L as it is same. So now the equation, the dimensional formula of resistivity is M as it is same. L square is here and divided by L is here. Okay, here is come upon, that is a minus 1. This L will come upon L, it is a minus 1. 2 minus 1 is a 1. 2 plus 1 is a 3. L to the power 3. And 3 to the power minus 3 as it is. And A to the power minus 2 as it is. So this is how to write the dimensional formula of a resistivity. So this is how about a resistivity.